Let's explore reverse prospecting. This tutorial covers what this feature is, how to set it up, and how to use it. Reverse prospecting allows list agents to take the initiative by reviewing their inventory and seeing how many contacts belonging to other agents match to the listing. The list agent can then contact the agent and ask them for feedback on the listing or if their buyer is interested in the property. Let's start by how you can review matches with reverse prospecting. Open the Contacts tab and choose Reverse Prospecting. This will provide you with a spreadsheet of your listings. Select the listing, but make sure to not tap the MLS number, which will just open a preview of the listing. Once the listing is highlighted, tap Count. If there is a number more than 0, then there are matches to review by tapping Search. Here you will see a list of agents with their email address and phone number, as well as their office information and the name they gave their customer or client. This prospect has your listing in the Collab Center or otherwise matched to a search. So now you can contact the agents and ask if their customer or client has any interest in your listing. Notice you don't see any information about the prospect other than what the agent has identified as their name. This is what you'll provide to agents so that they can figure out who is the match. Now let's go through how you can set up your contacts with reverse prospecting to help other agents and to help your customers and clients find the property they need. Go back to the Contacts menu and choose Add Contact. On the right side, check the Use Reverse Prospecting box. Then enter an alias. This is what will display to other agents so they know who to refer to when they call you. Keep in mind, whatever you put in for the alias, your customer or client will also see. Once you've added all of the other information about your contact, tap Save. When another agent contacts you, if you don't remember all of the aliases you've given for each of your contacts, view your entire contact list and you'll see the alias column on the far right. You can also type the alias into the Find box to quickly pull up the contact. If you already have contacts, make sure to set them up with reverse prospecting too. Tap their name to open their profile and choose Contact Information from the menu on the left. Check the reverse prospecting box and enter an alias. Then click Save. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please visit the Prime MLS Help Desk.